Honey, we are peeling up out of Pennsylvania like we stole something or owe somebody money. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love decorating DIY, thrift flip, shopping hauls, and if I didn't mention it, my name is Courtney, and I officially have entered retirement in Florida, and I'm so happy about it. In today's video, I have a fall credenza styling, so let's get it, let's go. Start off with a look at what everything looks like with all of these spring summer decor. And then we're gonna break that down and move on to fall. So here I've pulled in all of my fall bins so we can start decorating for fall. So we're gonna get these cut open. They have not been cut open since, like I was saying, burgundy is my accent color for this fall. And I picked up these gorgeous burgundy stems. Very beautiful, love the color, and very realistic looking. So I picked up 4 of the long stems in burgundy, and then I picked up a bunch of these, and aren't these beautiful? Thistle bush in burgundy as well. So there's my color palette for this fall. I'm gonna be, of course, using my gray, white, and silver, and I'm gonna blend that with the burgundy as well. So let's get this spring summer decor put away so we can start decorating for fall. Vineyard Retreat fall candle. So after a quick cleaning, I came back in with my bubble glass hurricane vases that I thrifted a couple months back. Into those, I placed some burgundy mums and fruit that I already had on hand, and added my beautiful, rich burgundy leaf stems. Don't they look gorgeous? In the center of the credenza, I came in with my Ming storage box, and on top, placed some glass candle holders with a little bling on them that I purchased at Home Goods, and then came in with some blinged out pumpkins, additional mums, and fruit. I think it came out beautifully. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. Happy Tablescape Tuesday, all. The weekly open collab brought to you by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. And as an added bonus, I thought I'd throw in a little footage of me decorating the couch and a tour of the living room. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and it gives you inspiration. Let me know what you think in those comments. And give your girl a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. Not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family yet? Honey, it is quick and easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.